Hi there, my name is Matthew Kish. We're here at beautiful Lamborghini of Newport Beach, and today I want to show you how to pair your cell phone to a Lamborghini Urus. Alrighty folks, so we're inside of this Lamborghini Urus and we're going to go ahead and walk you through the steps of pairing your cell phone now. So step one, we're going to go ahead and hit the home button here, and then we're going to click on phone. From there, we're going to go to your phone, click on your settings button, click on Bluetooth. Just make sure that your actual Bluetooth is on. From there, you're going to see available devices, and then now we're going to go back to the touchscreen. From there, we're going to go to the touchscreen, so go ahead and click mobile device, and then a new connection. Let it start searching for your phone. We can go ahead and initiate it here on the touchscreen and then just confirm on your cell phone as well. So we can click on Urus here. And also, if you're gonna be in a 2021 or newer, these vehicles do come with Apple CarPlay. So you will wanna allow the system to use that as well, because there's a lot of wonderful features with that. So I hope that video was informative and helpful of how to pair your phone with this Lamborghini Urus. And of course, if you guys have any other questions or having troubles with it, feel free to stop on in. Once again, my name is Matthew and I'm happy to assist you in person. Thank you and have a wonderful day.